Hello YouTube! We are halfway through the week. I have 3 days left until install day and I'm feeling really good about everything. I have my team secured for Saturday and also Friday. I have someone helping me to unload my storage unit. We have a professional installer for artwork and shelving. And yeah, the last couple days I've just been running around to various local shops here, just picking up accessories, and I have a few more things to check off on my list, and we should be in great shape.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be
morning or afternoon, depending on where you are. I am drowning in stuff, honestly, but at this point, today is Wednesday, and my storage unit is basically at capacity, and to me, I can't really justify bringing all of this stuff into the storage unit only to unpack it on Friday in 2 days. So anyway, we are managing, and I'm going to pick up some pillow covers up in Costa Mesa. That's about an hour from here, and there's also a Crate and Barrel up there, so we'll see how long my son can make it and see how much we can accomplish.
driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Thursday, and we're packing up the U-Haul tomorrow, and these 2 giant boxes arrived today. I have no idea how I'm going to get them into my truck, but hopefully I can find some nice people to help. Hey guys, we're down to 2 days left before install day, and today is going to be all about plants and trees, and I have a lot to pick up today, so stay tuned.
Ain't got no money. Still I'm singing, I think it looks so good.
Decide between this beautiful tree and the classic fiddle leaf fig. Can you guys help me out? Time to get champagne for the reveal.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright.
It is not yet 7. I am actually on my way to the storage unit. It is a long story, but we never ended up unpacking last night. So here I go, and I need to make it back to the house by 8.
Driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Unbelievable how physical this job is. Sometimes I forget, but I quickly get reminded.
Don't it look so good?